Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on this video I'm gonna show you how to create a left to right transition effects for your video on CapCut. So here you need to import your clip first to CapCut. For this edit I prepared 3 clips. Then you can just click on the first clip and add 3 keyframes on each clip at the beginning, the middle, and also the end of the clip, and do this for all of your clips like this. And now on the first keyframe, drag the clip to the right. So drag the clip like this, and then on the last keyframe in here, drag back the clip to the left. So the previous one is to the right and now to the left. So drag back the clip like this. So it will go like so, and you can just repeat the step for all of your clips. Okay, after you do the previous steps for all of your clips, just go in between the first and second keyframe. So for the step, I'm going to go to the first clip. In between the first and second keyframes, go to grab and select the ease out 1. And then for the last 2 keyframes, select the ease in 1. Repeat it for all of the keyframes. Okay, after you're done, just click on the check icon, and now here is the left to right transition effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye bye.